Across the Danish countryside, windmills stretch high above the tree line, gracefully harnessing Denmark's most abundant natural resource. But when the Gulf Stream winds start to rage, these gentle giants can be pushed to the breaking point. Early in the morning, local residents notice a rogue windmill spinning out of control.
var en montør, der løb, og en bil, der bakkede.
Officials rush to cordon off the area. No one is sure exactly what will happen.
Jamen, vi har været rundt og orienteret de nærmeste naboer. Sikkerhedsafstanden har vi fået oplyst af Vestas er mellem 400 og 500 meter.
Then suddenly, without warning, a second look shows the centrifugal force shattering one of the blades. The rotor is then thrown out of balance and explodes into pieces. Jagged metal and fiberglass rain across the countryside, covering an area of over a half mile. Residents are grateful that no one is hurt.
Sådan gulvet det gav på. Og da han så kiggede ud af vinduet, så kunne han så se dele fra vindmøllen kom flyvende hen over taget.
Investigators determined that a faulty braking system allowed the gusting winds to spin the turbine more than 5 times faster than it could safely operate. The collapse is a reminder that even a man-made machine can be pushed beyond its limits by Mother Nature.